Digital signage is hugely important to us at the arena here, very much focused on the fan engagement and fan experience side of things. Back in 2015 we undertook major redevelopment works in the venue. We signed our first naming rights partner, and alongside that we invested in high-speed public Wi-Fi and about 200 digital screens. The primary aim of that was all about fan engagement and fan experience.
We started in the digital signage journey about 10 years ago. We moved away from our static advertising light boxes and the dreaded paper and laminated signs all around the venue into a more digitally advanced solution. So we wanted to employ the digital signage across all our sites that were more engaging, more inviting, and give a lot more opportunity for both commercial and experience return.
As you arrive at a Belfast Giants ice hockey game or you arrive for a pop concert, you're greeted with digital signage straight away. So we have signage placed at the main entrances, in the merchandise, food and beverage areas, in the main foyer, so really you can't escape it.
The arena is constantly looking to innovate, and we strive to be one of the most technologically advanced venues in Europe. And we see the digital signage being a key player in what we offer. In terms of fan engagement, we see this as being a real untapped area. We want fans, when they come on site, to feel engaged from the minute they enter the venue, so that the signs are not just there to sell something to them or to provide them with the boring operational health and safety information. We want them to be engaging.
Moving with the times and changing the layout and the reconfiguration of our digital signage has allowed us to be more creative and more engaging with our content. So rather than having static menu boards, we're having menu boards now that come to life where we can change products, change pricing and be flexible with that.
We've also noticed that we employed some new stretch displays across our concourse, and organically fans started to stand underneath the screens and take selfies when the screen above was showing the artist who was playing that night or the Giants, and then using that, tagging themselves at the arena, using that on their social media platforms. So almost by chance this started to become a kind of Instagrammable element that we hadn't really appreciated could happen with the screen. So that's certainly an area that we're looking to explore in more detail.
Many of our sponsorship deals will involve digital signage, and a lot of our sponsors really value that, and quite often it's the first question that a sponsor will ask, well, how do we get access to those screens to get our brand out and in front of customers, which is huge for our commercial side of the business. It's also really important for internal promotion, so we would use a lot of our digital signage to make sure that we're promoting our food and beverage offering, merchandise and things like that again, which ultimately help our bottom line.
We certainly see more of the product being purchased, whether it's our food and beverage or if we advertise a new merchandise line, especially with the Giants. You know, we do see a direct link to the increase in sales from those as well.
Digital signage is also key for the promotion of future events and ice hockey games. So when a fan's here and they're engaged and they're having a great time, it's the perfect opportunity for us to kind of plug the next show that's coming to the venues. The relationship that we have with the team at Uniguest is first class. We want to be a premier venue that engages with fans and brings the biggest live artists to Belfast. And I think that Uniguest are on that same journey, and that's why they're the perfect partner for us.